I just got this box from Amazon and I have absolutely no clue what is inside of it. So this is my official unboxing of whatever is inside this Amazon box. So quickly I want to talk about Casey Neistat's recent video. I think it was a really cool video, so go watch that, his most recent video. It was pretty cool, just talking about how people are stop making YouTube videos because they don't think they're gonna make enough money or whatever. But most of us and people who make YouTube videos, they don't do it so they're gonna make a bunch of money. They do it just to do it. So if you wanna make YouTube videos, just go do it and tell your story of how you did this. And yeah, I just stopped that through the box. Okay, now we got this. I still have no clue what's inside this. I got this to support my channel. So yeah, let's get into this. Should use the scissors instead of the little knife. It's probably faster. Still no clue. That was so loud. Got a bunch of these things here. Oh my goodness, what is this? Okay. We got some stuff here. We got a Rode mic. Oh, we got the little fuzzy thing to protect it from the wind. This is so cool. And then, okay, this is kind of boring. This is just a cable. And then, okay, I just want to ask you guys real quick, why is this tripod so big? Look at this. This is like, this camera does not do justice for how big this thing actually is. It is like freaking big. This thing is huge. I'll do a comparison from this one to my normal one that I have my camera right now. But this is sweet. I've been thinking about getting a new mic for my camera because it does not have the greatest mic. We just like the normal one on that it comes with. And but yeah, got a sweet Rode mic for it, and then this. So I don't know. You guys might not know what this does. This little fuzzy thing. You put this like fuzzy thing over the mic. And then it protects it from wind, so if it's in wind, it's not like that. Yeah, that. So it doesn't do that. So, yeah, I guess that's it. I'm gonna try this out on my camera right now. So, yeah, let's switch over right. Actually, I'm gonna mention I'm filming on my other camera. I'm putting this on my other camera. So, yeah, let's switch over in 3, 2. Okay, everyone, so this is with the new Rode mic on. So, guys, comment down below and tell me if you guys think it sounds better or the same, or I don't know, just comment down below and tell me what you think. There we go. Satisfaction. Oh, I think it's robbed by Viczko. Back up. Back up. Oh! Ernie scored the goalie goal to win it. What? Okay, we just played some mini sticks. What do you guys think of that audio? Do you think it was better than it usually is? And yeah, it's really good. So you can even hear me talking through this creepy mask I have. That's how good this mic is. Pretty sweet. And we have a super nice day today. So today we're just gonna go to the outdoor rink and just play some hockey and skate around and have some fun and make a little video of it. So, yeah.
We can just
Stick her in here. We got the camera filming here. Hey, Declan. Yeah. Say hi. Oh. Okay. Now we're going to the outdoor rink with Declan. Yeah. Let's go. There you go. Okay. There you go. Okay. Yeah. Declan, this is the one I'm wearing. Woo. Oh.
You want to dress on the bench?
Yep. Let's go. Yeah, there's a bench over there. Like, this is like a skating challenge. This is hard. It's actually hard to skate on. It's tough. He scores, boys. 8-8. He scores.
No, not that kind of goal. It's like 5-5.
That's no goal. Wow, there you go.
You know what? Okay, there you go. Thought I messed you up.
I did it.
You did.
I did it.
Oh, Mom's here.
Okay, now I'm gonna shoot. Okay, let's go. Ready? You did! Ow. I'm trying to get out of here. Huh? Huh? A choppy tomato? Give me some tomato. I'm gonna like take off my skates and grease them up. Oh god. Whoa. There's a little bump there. What the fuck? Little buddy bump.
Okay, we're done. going home. I'm gonna end off this vlog. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment and share with your friends. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, okay, never mind. I'm back at home now. I just wanted to try a quick Peter McKinnon transition. Yeah, now we're done. So, yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. And I will see you guys in the next video.